Welcome to our guide on how to disable notifications for news on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive right in. To begin, open Twitter and proceed to your profile by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy. And the left-hand column of the Settings menu, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. This will lead you to the Notification Types menu. Within the Notification Types menu, find and click on Preferences to access more detailed notification settings. Next, click on Push Notifications to manage your notification preferences effectively. Now, under the From X section, uncheck the box next to News to disable notifications related to news specifically. Once you have unchecked the box for news, finalize your changes by clicking on the Save Changes button. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize your Twitter notification settings on your PC and tailor them to your preferences. Take control of your Twitter experience by managing your notifications efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has helped you optimize your Twitter notification settings. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks.